Okay, so we have this fix-it toolbox. So Hamza actually likes fixing, like, you know, how he sees his dad doing things at home. So I've ordered this for him. Okay, this is actually I ordered for Ramadan. It's an activity book, but I think I will just give it to him by next year. Next is this board book that I ordered for him also, this Jungle Book. This is actually the first storybook, because the first board books that I've bought for him was just, you know, word by word. Alright, so next we have this, the box of manners. So yeah, let's see it later on. I'll show it to you. Next is this Tuki toy. I think he can build up something from these things, and he can learn some, you know, about colors and patience. Let's see. And the last one is this Chuchulu. This is his most favorite one.
Yeah.
Yes, Hamza? Okay, so Hamza wants to open up this one first, so we'll just try to untie it first from here. Alright, regarding this train, I still have to purchase 3 AAA batteries, so we can't use it right now, so probably tomorrow we'll show it to you. Okay, so we open up this fix-it toolbox, and it's good for kids from 3 years old and above, and it has 17 pieces of tools here, and it's made of wood. It's with a great finish. This toolbox is the only one that is a bit heavy. However, the rest are lightweight and in bright colors. Alright, with this toy, you see, what kids can learn is that you know, they can practice their imagination and creativity, the social skills, you know, playing with other kids. Also, with this toy, the kids will have self-discovery, can do some problem solving, and can have some physical skills and fine motor skills development. Okay, now we'll check this Tuki toy, and let's see how we can have fun with this one. Okay, so he's playing right now these blocks. So there are 14 pieces of blocks here with different shapes and colors. So these blocks are made of wood, and they're very light, and this can be played from 1 year old and above. Okay, now we're checking this box of manners. Okay, inside the box there are 54 illustrated cards, and together with this booklet that has actually Quran verses, I think. Okay, I was reading this booklet, and there are 3 kinds of games that you can do for this one. So there's the memory game, the application game, and the reference game. Okay, as I was saying, these are some references from Quran and some Sunnah also for each manners, and they're in English and in Arabic. Okay, I told Hamza to make 5 on each row, so we'll play the memory game.
Oh, it's in.
Where? Where?
What more can I say?